Hi everybody, my name is Ty Brown, and thanks for visiting Ty Sells Houses. Again, this is one of our series of informal, kind of unscripted chats about real estate in the Lexington, Kentucky area, and we're going to tell you a little bit about the market. Today we're going to focus on investment property. With the market the way it is, the prices where they are, interest rates where they are. A lot of people are thinking about buying, or should be thinking about buying rental property, investment property, fixer-upper, those types of things. And kind of tell you some of the things we go in to look for when you are doing those types of purchases. This is more toward your first purchase or somebody who wants one or two, not for somebody that's a big investor. We will get further into this as we go, but as a beginning, kind of an intro into investment, what you want to do is find a property that you're familiar with, and property that you know the area, that is, are the right size for you, not such a big project that it's overwhelming to you. You want to make sure that you, like I said, you know where you are, know what you're buying, and know what you're getting into. So there's a lot of ways you can evaluate an investment property, and you need to do that. One of the theories that we work on is something that I heard early on in the real estate business is, always you make your money, you got to buy the property right, which basically means you make your money when you buy the property, not when you sell the property. How does that work? You just got to know what you're buying and know what you can do to put into that property, what you're going to have to put into that property, and still have some equity at the end when you sell it, or be able to rent it and make your payment and hold on to it for a time period where you can make some money on it. And it all comes down to selection and the property that you buy on the front end and where you go from there. So it takes a little bit of experience a lot of times to make sure that it can happen. Now when we look at investment properties, and personally I have several rental properties, some good, some bad, but I found what really works and what I'm going to stick to and what we try to stick to from here out is properties that, one, you know what you're getting and where you're getting the area, and two, the big ticket items. You need to look at the 4 big ticket items, particularly in a property. You want to look at your roof, your floors, your furnace, and the windows. If 3 out of those 4 items are pretty well taken care of, then you've got a good possibility of having a good property there to buy for investment. You're also, your kitchen, your cabinets and your appliances are going to be another item. But a lot of times those are something where you can make some money on doing the work yourself, putting in new cabinets, things like that. So don't necessarily look at those. A lot of people tell you 5 items. We go with 4. Again, your roof, your floor, your windows, and your heat and air system. If you get 3 of the 4 that are in good shape, or like hardwood floors, a lot of times a carpet over them are a good thing to look for. You have a good chance of coming out okay on the end. And another thing we're looking for is the 1% rule. It's kind of a real quick test. If you buy a property that's $50,000, you should be able to make $500 a month rent. $75,000 purchase price, $750 a month rent. That's a good target. Not always going to get it, but it's something you want to be as close to that as possible. So again, make your decisions on your property that you're buying for an investment. Really evaluate the property, know what you're looking for, look through it. Don't make something on a whim, and don't buy something just because it looks like a good deal. It might be $30,000, $40,000, or $50,000 less than what the one down the street's selling for, because when you factor in all the repairs and all the things that need to be done to bring that property up to the right level that it needs to be in for you to make some money on it and have some money to make some money at the end when you sell it, that may not be a good deal once you factor all this stuff in. So do your homework up front. Find somebody to help you evaluate the properties, screen them, go through them with you, do inspections. We'd be happy to help you do that. We help people all the time select investment property we think will be a good chance for them to make some money, either a rental or a rehab and resale type property. If you're looking to buy or sell something in Lexington, Kentucky, rental property or not, we'd be happy to talk to you. Again, my name's Ty Brown, and Ty Sells Houses, and Lexington, Kentucky real estate is what we do. Thanks.